What if I told you that your 20s are the most important financial decade of your life? Not your 30s, not your 40s, your 20s. Because if you invest just $300 a month, starting at 22, you could retire a millionaire without ever earning a six-figure salary. But here's the problem. Most people in their 20s are focused on lifestyle, not leverage. Trips, cars, eating out, flexing on Instagram. Meanwhile, a small group of people are quietly building assets. And by 35, the gap is massive. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step blueprint to build real wealth in your 20s using budgeting, investing, and real estate. No hype, no get-rich-quick, just strategy. Let's break it down. Step 1. Control your cash flow. If you don't control your money controls you. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for investing. If you're serious about wealth, flip it. Try 60% needs, 20% wants, 20% investing, minimum. Track every dollar for 30 days. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a spending awareness problem. Wealth begins with discipline. Now let's talk about investing. Time is more powerful than money. If you invest in index funds like the S&P 500 through companies like Vanguard or Fidelity Investments, you don't need to pick stocks. You just need consistency. $300 a month, 10% average return, 40 years. That's how millionaires are built. Compound interest is quiet, but unstoppable. Your 20s are for skill building. Don't just save money. Increase your value. Learn high-income skills. Sales, coding, content creation, AI tools. Income growth beats expense cutting. The goal is simple. Make more. Invest more. Real estate is powerful. You don't need 10 properties. Start with one. House hacking. Buy a duplex. Live in one unit. Rent the other. Your tenants pay your mortgage. That's how leverage works. Real estate builds equity, cash flow, and tax benefits. Let's recap. Step 1. Control spending. Step 2. Invest consistently. Step 3. Increase income. Step 4. Buy assets like real estate. Your 20s are not for showing off. They're for setting up your 30s. Most people want fast money. Wealth is built slow. But once momentum starts, it becomes unstoppable. Start today. Your future self is watching.